Hello and welcome to HF Organic Garden Tips. Today we are going to see how to prepare vermitea. In previous video we have seen how to prepare vermicompost and start your own business. First of all, what is vermitea? Vermitea is a liquid fertilizer made from a mixture of vermicast and a chlorine-free water. After fermenting to release essential nutrients, microbes, plant growth hormones, and enzymes. It has fast-acting results compared to solid vermicast. Follow 5 easy and simple steps to apply for your garden plants, especially for nursery plants, vegetables, fruits, cereals, pulse, and the like. In addition to the hydroponic structures, vertical farming, organic farming, you can apply this simple liquid fertilizer for your plants to grow faster. And vermitea is advantageous for plants because it has the potential to increase the pH of your soil, also increase your soil, also increase the mineralization or the uptake of phosphorus and other nutrients. It has earthy smell. It contains microbes. These microbes can facilitate nitrogen fixation process. This binding gases nitrogen into the soil plants to use. There are different advantages. I have put in the description below. There are different advantages of this vermitea as compared to vermicast. It has a fast growth rate and development for crops, especially for nursery plant. It enhances the growth of the plant. It increases soil beneficial microbes. It also prevents diseases and pests in the soil as well as in plants, especially nematodes in the soil, and protects from fungal diseases, bacterial diseases. So it increases the plant's ability to struggle against the disease. Also, it has a restoring capacity to polluted soil, and it also regulates the soil pH. Most of the alkaline high pH soils are easily managed by using vermitea. It has improvement in soil structure by aerating it and making it more porous and increase the soil water holding capacity. So these and other many advantages are available. So what we need to prepare vermitea, the materials are: we need a chlorine-free water. We need half kilogram of vermicast, 2 liters of buckets. We need 20-liter capacity of sprayer to cover a 20 square meter area. But depends on your area of garden. You can apply it in small quantity using hand sprayers. The other need is cloth or net to separate the vermitea from the solid one, or the leftover from the vermitea. Just let me follow step by step. Step 1 is exposing this water from different source, or exposing it to the sunlight. For it is filling the bucket with 2 liters of water and adding half kilogram of vermicast. Step 3 is mixing or stirring it well for about 1 minute and covering with clothes or something else until 24 hours in hot weather or 48 hours, 3 days in humid climate for fermentation. Don't forget to stir it daily for better release of nutrients, plant hormones, enzymes. Step 4. Step 4 is putting clothes or net on empty bed and pouring mixture of vermitea on the top of these clothes and gently holding the clothes until it fluid or the liquid fertilizer completely pass over. Leftover can be applied around the plant root. This vermitea has dark brown color and it has a color of weak tea. Step 5 is dilution and application immediately by spraying to the plant around or spraying over the leaves. On early morning or late at evening. What will be the dilution ratio? Dilution ratio depends on the stage of the plants. 1 liters of vermitea with 10 liters of water for nursery plants, 1 liters of vermitea with 5 liters of water for the crop at the vegetative stage, flowering stage, fruiting stage of the plant. The rate of application for a given area is 1 liter per square meter. The frequency of application:
twice a week,
week for nursery plant,
twice a week,
or 3 times a month for vegetative, flowering and fruiting plants. Based on the above suggestion, as you can see, you can use 2 liters of the prepared vermitea mixed with 20 liters of chlorine-free water for covering 20 square meter area. So, enjoy these simple steps to prepare your liquid fertilizer by using vermicast and unchlorinated water for better and fast growth of your vegetables, fruits, and other crops in your garden. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please like, subscribe, share and comment